movie review on the internet today, the A-List Review. I am your host, the Game Changer, Wes Troop. Somebody's kidnapping hookers, and it's not me. My review of The Factory, coming up now. A policeman is on the trail of a serial killer who's been kidnapping prostitutes, but this time he made it personal when he picks up the cop's daughter. Ooh. So what did I think of The Factory? I thought it's a mostly disappointing mystery film. It could be considered a thriller, but there's really no thrills here to be found. Another problem is that the movie lacks suspense, and it just kinda lags along. And it really has the feeling of a TV show episode on HBO. The story is incredibly odd and creepy. Unfortunately, there's a lot of been there, done that moments, and not many ideas feel new. And there's a twist ending that isn't exactly surprising, and it's just lame. I am a fan of the cast, which includes John Cusack as Mike, the policeman on the trail, Jennifer Carpenter, my Twitter buddy, as Kelsey, Mike's partner, Dallas Roberts as Carl the kidnapper, and Mae Whitman as Abby, Mike's brooding teenage daughter. This was filmed in 2007 and has been sitting on the shelf until a little earlier this year when it was released on DVD. Worth the wait? Not exactly. While I did enjoy some, it seems that the only thing at the factory being made is cliched, recycled material. I'm gonna give it the rating of meh. You know, it's got its moments, but I've seen better. If you want to check out The Factory for yourself, you can do like I did, get it through Netflix. You can find it at Redbox, and of course at a DVD or Blu-ray store near you. Until next time, don't miss one single A-list second. You can subscribe to me right here on YouTube. Check out some other videos. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on the Twitter, and of course you can pick up my book, the A-List Review 2012 Movie Yearbook. Over 140 reviews, only $10. Contact me through Facebook or Twitter if you're interested. Until next time, Troop.